Hi, this is Devin, and we're playing Real Sonic All-Star Racing.
So you can get speed ups if you hold two, like size 2, and then you need to take first on third lap. And to
Smash that like button. If we get 200 subscribers, we'll make a special video.
yeah, and if you buy this game on your Wii, it can be on Wii or Wii U, whatever. Probably on Xbox One, but you're allowed to buy this game.
Looks like Devin's in 4th place. You can tell that we have a little bit of fish.
Drift is B. There's allowed to be 4 players. So you need 4 remotes also.
After this lap, we're gonna end it here. Looked like Devin just got plowed.
You know, it's last lap.
Looks like Devin took 1st place.
No, we're in the final lap.
Last lap. He has a shield.
And you're allowed to buy musics and guys to play with, and you're also allowed to buy. Pretty much that's it. So I'm gonna take first by now. So if you want to buy this game on your Wii, you can get it.
Bye.